Hello friends, I am Dr. Shailaja Parmar. I welcome you all at the e-learning platform of Kadi Sharva Vishwavidyalaya. Today we are here to discuss one of our subject at the semester 4 of MCOM International Marketing, that is wherein we are going to discuss the 4 P's of marketing. Now, before we could start the subject, that is international marketing, we should understand the meaning of marketing. Okay, so we all know that like before I actually personally believe in that if you are starting with any of the subject, we should know or we should have an understanding of the meaning of that subject. So let us understand the meaning of marketing. Marketing here means the what we can buying and selling of any goods and services, and the other activities which are related to such a type of activities is known as the marketing. Okay, so marketing doesn't means mere marketing like selling, buying and selling of goods and services. No, it would be known as a trade. If you are buying and selling, it is a trade wherein the goods are being exchanged from one person to the another. Marketing is much more than that of a trade, wherein a person, the exchange of goods or services is definitely been taken care of, but the marketing starts well before the goods or the services are being transferred to the particular customer, and even after transferring the goods and services later on, the uh, taking away the group of customers with you for a longer period of time, or expecting a loyal customers will be a part of marketing over here. So retaining the customers, that is the important portion as far as marketing strategies are concerned. So marketing doesn't mean only selling the goods which are being produced by your company, or the services which you would like to offer to the prospective customers, but marketing is much more than that of the transfer of goods and services, but in fact it deals with everything right from the satisfaction to the retention of the customers, and by retaining the customer, welcoming the other group of customer group to your organization. Now let us understand that when we are talking about marketing, okay, so the next question, that the formal definition says that it is the what is been sold out into the market, then one should say that goods and services are being sold out into the market, but the answer is not limited to the goods and services. Now, so what is the answer of that? So now the next question over here is that what is marketed or what can be marketed. Like if you can keep your eyes open, then you can make out that, oh, these are the things which are been actually marketed into the market. Now let us understand one by one. So when you ask that what is marketed, so these are the various things, like we actually, these are all things are been marketed in front of you, like in nearby areas you are actually surrounded with all this, even now and then you are experiencing all these things. Okay, so what is marketed? Goods, that is tangible. Services you just cannot see, you can experience, that is why those are intangible. Events, time based or through shows, etc. Experiences can be sold out, the persons can be sold out, places, properties, organization, information, and even the ideas are being sold out into the market. So now let us understand by completing this presentation that your curiosity that these many things are being sold out in the market. Yeah, definitely these many things are being sold out into the market. Goods, yes. Yeah, let us have a trip at a mall. Any mall you go, you just keep your surrounding eyes on your surrounding, you will find full of goods decorated, and you can sell it, like those are been kept in front of you, that whatever, choose whatever you want. That is what the goods which are there into physical form. Those can be any item which has been consumed, which has been used by you. Then we have what is marketed, the places. Okay, you must have seen Vibrant Gujarat. You all know that Vibrant Gujarat has been organized every 2 years into Gandhinagar, into the capital of Gujarat, that is at Gandhinagar. So Vibrant Gujarat, what do you think, that what is the idea behind organizing this Vibrant Gujarat with crores of rupees expenditure? This is what, to take the Gujarat on the map of the world, and the Vibrant Gujarat has been done, that has actually proved that the entire world has been invited to the Vibrant Gujarat. Okay, and the various contracts and the agreements and the MOUs are been taking place. So what is happening over here now? Let us talk about the Patangotsav, which has been organized, International Patangotsav. Then the Statue of Unity. This has made an attraction of the entire world. खुशबू गुजराती, कुछ दिन तो गुजारो गुजरात में, कुछ दिन तो बिताओ गुजरात में. That is what the tagline, which has been advertisement for, which has been advertised to sell out the Gujarat into the entire world. So have you understood that the places even can be sold out into the market? Yeah, the moment you will have the vacation, even if a period of 2 days, you will search for the various destination wherein you can spend your time of 2 days over there. So what is happening when you are searching? It means there is somebody who is ready with their places to show, to sell out into the market. The next one is the services. The services, every possible. What am I doing over here now? I am selling. What am I selling? I am selling my services. I am teaching over here. Yes, I am teaching you. I am trying to share my knowledge with you all people so that you can understand the concepts of marketing over here. So it's a service. Okay. So whatever possible you are getting outside into the market, which is there into an intangible form, is the service. Next, with you is an experience. Okay, now experience means I am there into Bombay and I would like to be there into Rajasthan, yeah, or say for example my father, mother, or my grandfathers are, they actually belongs to a town only, they are belonging to the city, so we do not have any place like a village. Then in that case, what will I do? I can go for the places wherein I can experience these things for which I have been awaited for. So the hotel like Chowkidani, the moment you will enter Chowkidani, you will feel like that you are actually there into Rajasthan. You go to the hotel village, then in that case you will find that yes, you will have an experience that you are there in a small village of India. Then the person, see, you every now and then in between every serial we watch advertisements, yeah, wherein the various actresses, sports person, then the various personalities are there to sell out the products of different companies into the market. Okay, let us have like Katrina Kaif. She is a brand ambassador of Slice, Panasonic, Lux, Pantene, Veet, Berger. She Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Yes, Boro Plus, Dairy Milk, Kalyani Jewelers. Okay, then Kaun Banega Karodpati, that is the biggest show. Then see Mr. Akshay Kumar, Micromax, Everready, Rajna, Honda. Okay, these are the products for which they are acting as a brand ambassador. It means what? They are not only selling their products, the products of the companies over here, but they have actually sold out themselves as the brand ambassador of the products for the companies for which they are acting as a brand ambassador. So that is why the persons even can be sold out into the market. The next one is organizations. Yeah, definitely. Zydus Cadila Hospital, our new comprehensive cancer center now opens. That is Zydus Cadila. Zydus, dedicated to life. Yes, Shramave Jayanti, Narayana Group. Yes, these are Narayana Group of Education. Yes, Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. These are all organizations wherein you will find various holdings on the roadsides, advertisement, word of mouth publicity. wherein what is happening over here, that the organizations are being sold out into the market actually. Definitely, the informations are even been sold out into the market. We all know that we refer English dictionary. Yes, we refer English dictionary whenever we stuck up with a particular word while reading an English newspaper or an English book. On the other hand, Wikipedia. The moment you will enter something into your Google, the first thing which you will find would be the Wikipedia. Yeah, wherein you will find all information. Yes, the Google platform search engine, what are you doing? The information, it means what they are selling informations to you. Yeah, ideas. Yes, ideas. How the ideas can be sold out into the market? Definitely, the ideas are being sold out into the market. I'll give you the best example. Like whenever Diwali, you all know that Diwali is the festival which has been celebrated with lots of lights into India. Yes. So previously, Diwali means the sweets. Yes, there were the people used to exchange the sweets and hug each and every person so that they can feel happy and they can share happiness with each other. Okay, but after that, the dairy milk, yeah, dairy milk has changed the definition of happiness over here. Dairy milk, the chocolate, kuch meetha ho chai. Yes, have you ever thought of that? Diwali, on the occasion of Diwali, instead of sweets, you are actually sharing the chocolates, that is dairy milk, with which your loving one. Yeah, the person to whom you love, the person, your beloved ones, you are sharing your even on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. Yes, what is mean? It is emotional attachment that yes, I will break out my piggy bank and I'll buy a chocolate for my loving sister. So what is this? This is what an idea which has been sold out in the form of advertisement to the Cadbury. To the Cadbury. Yeah. So that is how the ideas even are being sold out. You should know that how the product is to be sold out. So all the advertisement, behind every advertisement. Okay, what is happening, you go to the advertisement of jewelers that हीरा देने वालों का दिल भी हीरे जैसा होता है. What is this? This is what an idea to sell out a valuable golden jewelry or a diamond jewelry to an individual. So the ideas even are being sold out into the market. The next one is the events. The definition, yeah, definition. Marketing has changed the definition altogether. The events like pre-wedding photo shoots, which has been recently in boom. Okay, birthday parties, wedding anniversaries, wedding receptions, family get-togethers. Previously, if there is a birthday of your like one's daughter or son, then in that case, the mother used to cook on her own into a kitchen. She was all the way. She must be busy in her kitchen making laddus and all for the guest and her beloved son. But she was not a part of that party because she was busy over there. But now the definition has been changed. If it is my event, I should be enjoying that. And that is why the event management companies are ready for you to sell out your event, to celebrate your event with you only, making you the prime attention of that particular event. So the events are being sold out into the market. Yeah, properties. You should go for the newspaper, English newspaper, Times of India, specifically on Sundays. Yeah, you will find the thickness of Times of India would be little bigger than that of everyday newspaper Times of India. Okay, so you will find glossy papers into that, getting the advertisement of all properties, like all infrastructure builders, Adani, Shantikram, Shavalya Group, Pramukh Group, wherein what are they doing? They are selling properties. They are selling your sweet home, your dream home to you all. So the properties, dream office, it's not only home, your offices, your dreams are being sold out to you all. So that is how the properties are even be sold out into the market. So I hope everybody is clear that when it is